The 2025 three-bedroom camper motorhome is redefining luxury and space in the RV world, offering an unprecedented combination of comfort, practicality, and innovation for families or groups who crave mobile adventure without sacrificing home-like convenience. It introduces a level of roominess that's rarely seen in motorhomes, and every inch of the interior feels purpose-built for long-term travel or even full-time living. With 3 private sleeping quarters, it ensures everyone on board enjoys their own personal retreat, something that truly sets this camper apart in a crowded market. From the exterior, the motorhome commands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic bodywork that balances rugged durability with modern aesthetics. High-grade composite panels, a sturdy chassis, and extended slide-outs hint at the space within. The LED lighting and tinted panoramic windows add a premium finish to the outside, while solar panels discreetly integrated on the roof highlight its off-grid capabilities. Multiple storage compartments surround the lower section, making it easy to pack outdoor gear, camping essentials, or sports equipment without cluttering the inside. As you step inside, the motorhome instantly feels like a residential home. The entry leads into a bright and airy central living space, enhanced by large windows and soft LED lighting. High-quality vinyl flooring and plush upholstery set a cozy tone, while the color palette, often in warm earth tones or sleek grays, invokes a sense of calm. A large sectional sofa wraps around the main lounge area, facing a smart TV with a retractable mount, and next to it sits a full dining booth that comfortably seats 6 people. The kitchen is designed to be a chef's dream, especially impressive considering it's in a mobile home. A full-size residential refrigerator with dual doors and a bottom freezer, a 3-burner stove with a glass top, a convection microwave oven, and a deep sink with a high-arch faucet all come standard. Solid surface countertops provide plenty of workspace, while overhead cabinets and soft close drawers allow for well-organized storage of utensils, pantry items, and cookware. There's even a hidden pull-out pantry for dry goods, maximizing the vertical space. One of the 3 bedrooms is located at the rear of the motorhome and functions as the master suite. It features a queen-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress, nightstands with USB ports, ample closet space, and its own smart TV. What really sets it apart is the inclusion of an ensuite bathroom with a full shower, porcelain toilet, vanity, and even a skylight to enhance the natural light. This private sanctuary is perfect for adults who want their own tranquil space after a long day on the road. The second bedroom, typically located mid-cabin, offers a bunkhouse configuration or an optional double bed setup, depending on the layout chosen. This room is perfect for kids or teenagers, offering their own TV, storage shelves, and even a foldable workstation for games, schoolwork, or hobbies. Built-in ladders and guard rails enhance safety, and curtains or sliding doors provide the privacy that's often missing in traditional motorhome designs. The third bedroom is located towards the front, just behind the driver's cab, and doubles as a convertible sleeping area. Depending on the model, this space can include a Murphy bed or loft-style overhead bunk. It's a highly flexible zone that can be used as a guest room, office, or even a play area during the day. The design prioritizes multifunctionality, ensuring every family member has a place that serves both day and night functions. Bathroom facilities are robust and include a secondary half bath accessible to guests or those using the other 2 bedrooms. This thoughtful design eliminates traffic jams during busy mornings or nights, especially with families. Both bathrooms feature ventilated fans, mirrored medicine cabinets, and high-end finishes that rival stationary home bathrooms. Tankless water heaters ensure a steady stream of hot water, no matter how many people shower. In terms of technology, the motorhome comes equipped with a central digital control hub that manages lighting, temperature, water levels, and even slide-outs and awnings. Many models include smart home integration, allowing you to control systems via smartphone apps. Built-in Wi-Fi boosters and 5G antennas ensure reliable connectivity, making it easy to work remotely, stream entertainment, or stay in touch with loved ones no matter where you are. Driving the 2025 camper motorhome is a surprisingly comfortable experience thanks to its adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and enhanced suspension system. The cab features plush captain's chairs with armrests, climate control, a panoramic windshield, and an advanced infotainment center that includes navigation, voice commands, and surround view camera systems for easy parking and reversing. Even with its size, maneuverability is commendable, making long-distance travel less intimidating. Storage is another area where this motorhome excels. Interior cabinetry is abundant and thoughtfully designed, including under-bed compartments, overhead cabinets, and wardrobe closets. Exterior storage bays are pass-through and include lighting and durable linings. There's even an outdoor kitchen option on some variants, complete with a sink, mini fridge, and grill, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings and cookouts. Entertainment is a central theme throughout the motorhome. Multiple LED TVs are placed in the lounge, bedrooms, and even outside under the power awning. A surround sound system delivers crisp audio, and the motorhome is pre-wired for satellite and cable. Bluetooth connectivity and HDMI ports make it easy to sync devices, creating a multimedia hub for both relaxing evenings and fun family nights. Energy efficiency and off-grid potential are enhanced with solar-ready setups, large battery banks, and onboard inverters. Generators with automatic start and noise reduction tech offer backup power, while insulated tanks and energy-efficient appliances reduce the need for hookups. Combined with large freshwater and waste tanks, this makes the camper well-suited for boondocking or staying at remote locations for extended periods. Safety is not overlooked, with smoke and CO2 detectors, fire extinguishers, a tire pressure monitoring system, and anti-lock brakes standard. Some models include integrated security systems with motion sensors and remote alerts. The solid construction also includes reinforced frames and weather-sealed slide-outs to protect occupants in harsh weather conditions. Finally, customization is a highlight of the 2025 3-bedroom camper motorhome. Buyers can choose from multiple floor plans, interior themes, appliance upgrades, and additional features like washer-dryer units, theater seating, or built-in fireplaces. Whether used for vacations, full-time RV living, or even as a mobile office or classroom, this motorhome offers a level